Hi guys, so I don't know if today's gonna be like a what I ate today video or just a vlog, but yeah, I don't know, I've got some chorey stuff to do today, but apart from that I'm not feeling too good today. I've done something to my lower back. I think it's either anxiety or stress. I get these muscle spasms and I've got them at the moment, so I really can't walk around that much at all. I just hope it's better for work tomorrow. I've got like a heat pack on there now, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna have a fairly quiet like chore day, just taking it easy and stuff. But I went out the night before last night. I really didn't drink that much, but for some reason, ever since last night and now this morning, I've got the munchies, and I have a feeling today's going to be one of those really cool days where I just like eat whenever I want and whatever I want. Usually I have some structure, like, you know, I have breakfast, then I have lunch, then I have tea, I have a snack, well, a couple snacks during the day. But yeah, I think today's just going to be one of those days where I literally just shove my face with like whatever I want at any time of the day. I baked some cupcakes this morning, so I need to finish those. And yeah, I thought I would just vlog today because you guys say that videos like this are really helpful, like ones where I can show how far I've come. So yeah, I'm just having some, I always crave like carbs and like fatty stuff and really savoury stuff when when I have like the munchies. But yeah, I'm having instant mashed potato because, like I said, I love carbs. I mean, I love carbs anyway, let alone when I've like been drinking. I make my mashed potato really powdery, like really dry. Like my mum said I've been doing that ever since I was really small, like even when she used to make it for me. But yeah, I don't know, I have weird taste buds. I like to taste things really strong. Like if I have juice, I have it really strong. If I have cheese, I have like the strongest cheese. Go big or go home, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some mashed potato, and then I'm gonna put some butter in it because it just makes it, I don't know, I like butter. And then I'm gonna put some of this cheese as well, which is like really strong cheese. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. I make it really dry in case some of you are gonna be like, why did your mashed potato look like it doesn't have any water in it? Doesn't even look that dry, to be honest. I mean, it might do to you, but I've just got some butter and some cheese on it, and then also some mayonnaise.
Just fucking read, wish I could say something.
I'm gonna have one of these Rustless burgers. I never really have these, but I bloody love them. I had to put a little note so my sister doesn't eat it. Hands off weenie. See that, Molly? Just you. best friend's 19th on Monday, so I'm just wrapping up her presents. I've just got some body stuff, a bath bomb, I love this one, and some chocolates. I've got a card for my dad for Father's Day from Kiki. Yeah, I wanted to show you this card because it's so cute. Look, it's a little pea. Guess what song I'm gonna play? Haven't listened to this 100 times today.
I don't always mean what I'm trying to say. Don't know why I leave when I wanna stay. Yeah. Would you believe me anyway? The harder I try, the less I change. Minds like this, they don't come with no shackles. We fall in love like we fight our battle. We fight our battle. And in a moment we're gone. 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 Some people shout and you cover your
Just having some, I'm not even gonna pronounce that word, I think I know what it is, but I don't want to butcher it. And I think I'm just gonna sit on the sofa and like watch TV now because my back is really sore.
Cause when I light up, you're gonna know I'm here. I'm here. Minds like this, they don't come with no shackles. We fall in love like we fight our battles. Life can be like a roller coaster. Some days you high, some days you hurt. Minds like this, they don't come with no shackles.
Wow, what great lighting. I didn't eat as much as I thought I would, or as much as I usually eat today, but I've just been really busy, and I've just been resting literally most of the like I did a lot of chores, but then I've also been resting for the last half of the day because my back's really bad and it's making me feel really nauseous, and it's making it hard to eat. But I got me some chocolate, so I mean I'm struggling, you know, to eat, but I'm still going to eat some bloody chocolate, thank you very much. And I've just got a banana because that focaccia, that bread that I had earlier was really, really filling, even though I only had a little bit. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!